The way that we learn is different from everyone. Some people prefer pictures and visuals using the right hand portion of our brain, while others prefer text or lectures using the left hand portion of our brain. But learning processes take place in the brain unconsciously all the time, and we don't really even realize it's happening. The interconnections between perception, memory, language, imagery, emotion, all of these things it can help us build connections between verbal and picture information to then recall at a later time. Using the occipital lobe, the unconscious processes range anywhere from registering information by memory to mentally forging associations with information and patterns and different things, and then activating those at a later time. We consciously engage in learning activities in our day-to-day life, but we also do it unconsciously as well. Cognitive processes are carried out by our unconscious brain very, very often, but only a certain amount of information reaches the conscious part of the brain. We take in images and other sensory information to process at a later time if it becomes important, having to just discard the unimportant bits. Recalling unconscious information happens every time we study, and I'm sure you're thankful for it. Taking practice tests or reviewing our notes, we're pulling those unconscious memories or recalling those things to the conscious portion of our brain so that we can use them. The information stored there can be recalled at any time, but sometimes we're unaware of the correlations and habitual patterns we sometimes make between multiple pieces of information that help us study or learn a little bit easier.